Hi, it's Rich Mclean. My work cover has been rejected on account of that quote, I am not an employee for the purposes of the SRC Act. That was the rejection via Comcare. It's been 2.5 years and my work cover has never paid. Right now, it's held up with the AAT in debate of that exact question. But I'd like to say the following and provide evidence to support my notion. On the 27th of March 2023, Scott Treadwell from the Federal Court of Australia wrote to me and he rejected my public interest disclosure, even though he was a verified person with whom I could make a disclosure to. And he detailed the following fact that is legislated and stated by the Federal Court. A public interest disclosure can only be made by a public official. The meaning of public official is defined and includes current or past Australian public sector employees, Section 69 PAYID Act. Section 30 of the PAYID Act extends this meaning to include Commonwealth employees of organisations which provide goods or services under a Commonwealth contract. That is me. On the information you have provided me, I am satisfied that you are or were an employee with the Department of Social Services, providing services under the trading name Rich Mclean, Artist Life Coach, Peer Support Worker and Mental Health Advocate. Boom, there it is. You would think that evidence from the Federal Court would be sufficient in proving that I'm an employee for the purposes of the SRC Act, but it's still held up at the AAT. I live in poverty and I'm the subject of a government conspiracy to pervert the course of justice. I'm hoping that I'm going to get traction in one of my justice issues soon because I don't have enough to rent or even eat hardly. If anyone can please take this document to the Federal Court or the Attorney General, I'll bankroll you or your charity. It's a clear-cut case. The evidence is in. I'm an employee for the purposes of the SRC Act and I should be paid my work cover immediately. You can go to my website, which is www.imustbecrazy.com.au, which details my profound victimisation, how I've been exploited and oppressed as a targeted individual, and how I've had all my finances intentionally, maliciously and consciously redacted from me over time by many institutions and organisations, and further how I can't go to police, I'm a failed whistleblower and I can't get a lawyer. Justice is coming soon. Please be on the right side of history. You can support me by PAYIDing me, and that will be an investment in justice that I will pay back in kind in favour of helping me survive in this present time. Thanks for listening.